Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Omar Ibn Kausar, IELTS instructor of English Fantasy. Today we are here for a practice session of IELTS speaking test part 1. Hello sir.
Hello, sir.
So what is your full name?
My full name is MD Al Amin. Neighbors and my family members and my friends called me Al Amin. So, sir, you can address me as Al Amin.
Okay, Alami. Where are you from?
I have come from Narayanganj.
Okay. Is there any specialty or any ancient place in your hometown?
Yes, sir. I can mention that there are a lot of ancient place in my hometown, but I would like to share with you about Sonargaon. Sonargaon was the capital city of during the Ishaka.
So it is a kind of a tourist attraction as well.
Yeah, it was a kind of tourist attraction, sir.
Okay, sir. Do you work or study?
I am an entrepreneur. I have own coaching. That name is Inspire Coaching Center. I teach there. I teach there economics and mathematics.
Okay, sir. Do you like to wear perfume?
Yes, sir. I think everybody will like perfume. So I am also like wear perfume. And basically, I wear perfume as like soft aroma.
Okay. How often do you wear perfume?
I wear perfume every day, but when I go to any occasions, then I will take my special perfume.
Yeah. What kind of scents do you prefer?
I mentioned that I like to take soft aroma, but before time I would like strong aroma. But strong aroma is difficult to carry any other people. That's why now I would like to use soft aroma.
Have you ever received perfume as a gift?
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me the same kind of question. Ask same kind of question because gift is very pleasure for anybody. So it's also pleasure for me. I have a lots of I have a lots of perfume as a gift in my birthday.
Okay. Do you think people should wear perfume every day?
Yeah, I think people should wear perfume every day because perfume represent their standards. So that's why everybody should take perfume.
Is perfume popular in your country?
Many kinds of perfume are popular in our country, but I think the loves and fog, that kind of perfume are popular day by day.
Okay. Have your preferences in perfume have changed day by day?
Yes, before time I used hard perfume, but nowadays I would like to soft perfume.
Do you think the prices of perfume reflects its quality?
Yes, I think the perfume reflects perfume price reflects the quality because when I want to get a good perfume, then obviously I should spend a bit of high price to take the perfume.
Thank you, sir, for your precious time.
You are welcome, sir.
Okay, so this is the end of our practice test.